Ava did our extension activity.
Ava did fabulous.
I'm sorry.
What?
Like
Yes.
Just go animated, let's call.
Yep.
I need to get that for last
Alright, Michael, what kind of volcano do you have?
A composite.
Alright, what are the characteristics?
It's really big. Whenever it erupts, it's explosive, and it
Asen, go move down on the chart.
mostly forms where the vents and the magma stick, and it's running through the vents.
Okay, how often does it erupt?
It erupts for 1 second. They often remain quiet for hundreds of years, but when they erupt when other eruptions usually happen.
So like Mount Vesuvius and the earthquake?
Yeah.
Okay, put yours on.
What if this falls?
Alright, you may erupt it.
You can hear it.
There you go.
Bubbly.
I could do this at home. Making powder.
Yeah, I know.
It sounds like my mom pouring the
Clean that up.
soda into
Alright, Ava, you're next.
Shoot.
Doesn't she already get to go? Because that said everything about her volcano.
Yeah,
She still has to do it.
Yeah.
Alright, Ava. Which kind do you have?
Shield volcano.
Okay. And tell us characteristics.
Okay, so it's like a gentle, smooth, slopey mountain, and it has really bright orange running lava that looks like water.
How often does it erupt?
More often than the other volcanoes, and they are active for a long period of time.
Alright, put your volcano on. You may erupt it.
Whoa, that's really bright orange.
Yeah, hers is really orange.
exactly like that.
This one, the inside of it's like red.
Yep.
Yeah, it's bright orange like this silver.
If we take these home, will we be able to keep these ones?
We'll have to ask Mr. Canada. He was going to cut them in half earlier, so I don't know if he cares too much about them.
That's funny.
Mine
doesn't have any cap early. Except for now.
Alright, if you do not get to erupt yours before music, we will do it after music. Music is in 5 minutes.
Your meter.
Yes?
You don't want to ruin your phone.
After music.
I'm gonna keep these guys.
Ruby,
I
your
won't be
turn.
here after music.
Excuse me,
Unfortunately, I won't be here after music, and I won't see it.
Oh, okay. Abby, you can show it. Sorry, I forgot.
Yeah,
I forgot you're not a permanent fixture in our classroom.
That doesn't really work for me.
Rudy, she made, was it about the earthquake books we read, or did you just make it?
Inside.
Okay,
You like to make these. She makes a lot of these.
so it's about earthquakes. We learned about earthquakes last week or the
How do I
week
put
before?
this on?
Last week.
Is it your news story?
Do I just put it on like
I remember
this?
from last time I was here.
Did you make little paper people to be killed by your volcano?
Yes.
Oh!
This is
You don't get it yet.
Abby.
Should I just keep it like this?
Abby, don't. Did you put little people on your thing?
Yes.
Over there they have little dinosaurs.
Fabulous
Yes.
idea.
This is gonna be hilarious.
Alright, we're going to watch Abby's video. Everyone who is not over here normally, go sit in your seats. Yes, go on your hands.
That's fabulous.